Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer change requests in Workfront to Jira, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Workfront account. Navigate to the project or change request that you wish to transfer. Ensure that you have all the necessary details of the change request documented. Open Jira in a separate tab and log into your account. In Jira, create a new issue by selecting the appropriate project. Choose the issue type that corresponds to your change request. Fill in the summary field with a concise title that reflects the change. In the description field, paste the details of the change request from Workfront. Include any necessary attachments or supporting documents from Workfront. Assign the issue to the appropriate team member in Jira. Set the priority level based on the urgency of the change request. Add any relevant labels or components that will help categorize the issue. Review all the information to ensure accuracy and completeness. Click the Create button to finalize the new issue in Jira. Go back to Workfront to update the status of the original change request. Mark the change request as transferred to avoid confusion. Consider documenting the transfer process for future reference. Finally, communicate with your team about the successful transfer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.